Here's another view of my shed with all the snow coming off the roof. It's just crazy. It's right down to the snowbank pretty much. I get my trailer out one of these days, but it's buried up. So, a lot of snow up here. Just cleaning things up. I'm gonna go back in here in a minute. Not as bad as they said it was gonna be, of course. The governor said, "Oh, state of emergency, it's gonna be a terrible blizzard." Well, that's more out near Boston. Not too bad around here, just typical. But it added up because everywhere where you had a snow pile, you got a bigger snow pile. So, a couple weeks ago it wasn't real bad out here. We were working outside, just flattening the snow down and everything. It wasn't bad, but it just builds up and you got a bigger snow pile and a bigger snow pile and a bigger snow pile. So anyway, there you are.